Anatomy and physiology. In this video, we will going to know about anatomy and physiology. So first coming to the definition. Anatomy is the study of structure of body. Suppose, let's take an example. This is your body. So studying about the internal structure of your body, that your body has different organs like heart, lungs, kidney, brain. So studying about the different organs of the body and their structure is known as anatomy. This is known as anatomy. Now coming to the types of anatomy. Anatomy is further divided into gross anatomy. Gross anatomy is study of structure with naked eyes. The structure study with the naked eyes is known as gross anatomy. You just need to look over the structure of the heart or the structure of the lungs or the structure of the kidney and you will going to study it. This is known as gross anatomy. Next is histology. Histology is study of tissues. Now you will going to study in the histology about the heart tissues. Heart is made up of which type of tissues and lungs is made up of which type of tissues and how the structure of the tissues is. This is known as histology. Third is cell biology. In cell biology we study of cell structure and functions. We mainly study about the cell. Fourth is molecular biology. Molecular biology is the study of biomolecules of the cell like protein, RNA and DNA. This is known as molecular biology. So this is all about anatomy. Coming to the next is physiology. Physiology is study of body functioning. In anatomy we only learn about the study of structure of the body, the internal structure of the body, whereas in physiology we study about the functioning of the body. For example, in anatomy we study only about the heart, lungs, kidney structure, but in physiology we study about the heart functioning, how heart beats, and we study about the lungs functioning, how lungs help in exchange of gases. This is all we study in physiology. So coming to the physiology, it is further divided into different types. So physiology is divided into many types. First is clinical physiology. Clinical physiology is the study of pathophysiology of the disease. In clinical physiology we study about the disease, that how the disease happen in our body. Second is animal physiology. In this we study the physiology of animals, how the functioning in animals take place, that we study in animal physiology. Third is plant physiology. In this we study the physiology of plants. And fourth is cell physiology. It's the functioning of the cell. In this we study the functioning of the cells. So this is all about anatomy and physiology. Now to understand it, you can take a screenshot. This will help you to remember it more clearly.